I'm going to show you my Case 644 because I have a problem with it. It does not move forward or reverse. So this video I'm just going to show you all around the tractor, show you underneath, and I want you guys to comment down below on things I need to check to figure out why this thing won't move. Now I've been looking for one of these for about 2 years. I've had a little Simplicity loader tractor in the past. I've had an older Kubota. I've always wanted one of these Case tractors, but I really don't know nothing about it. I've purchased all of the owner's manuals, parts manuals, service manuals, but I'm sure if you guys take a look at it, some of you professionals will be able to tell me what to look out for. You might see a screw missing somewhere. Just comment down below on anything you see that's wrong with this. I want to get it back in working condition. Maybe in about 2 years. There's a powder coating shop about 10 minutes from my house. And I'm thinking in about 2 years I'll take all the sheet metal off and take it down there and have a friend of mine powder coat the entire tractor. So I'm going to bring the camera up close, kind of show you around everything. I'll point out a couple of things that I know that's wrong with it, and then we'll go from there. Just a backstory on this. The motor has been rebuilt. It has a new hydraulic pump on the back side of the motor. It has a rebuilt hydraulic drive motor. It was working a while ago. Now it doesn't work at all. You can go full forward, full reverse, low, high, it doesn't matter. It will not move. The loader has plenty of power. I can put the loader down on the ground and it lifts the front end up, no problem. I can leave the loader up in the air the way it is now and it doesn't leak or fall down. There is one hose on the other side that has a slight leak. Like I said before, I'll bring the camera in up close, do a whole walk around, and I'm asking for help, trying to figure out how to get my little tractor going again. So here we go. Alright, so we'll just kind of pan this side right here. I'll kind of do a wide pan all the way around and then I'll go right up close to it. Alright, so I'm going to bring the camera in up close. You guys notice anything? There's a couple suspect things that I think has been changed over the years. Kind of like hoses like that right there. I don't know if that is correct or not. All the hydraulic hoses on this side, need to get this one here out of the way, but they're nice and tight, none of those leak. I pulled this panel off so you guys can kind of see in here a little better. Now, the last owner told me that that pump is new. As you can see, there looks like there's some type of repair right there, but it doesn't leak. So I assume maybe that's the high pressure side because the other side has rubber hose on it. And I do know about, I have it in neutral now because I rolled it. So I do know that I need to have it in either high or low to make a move. So you don't need to comment below on making sure I have it in neutral. Let's go underneath here. Check this out. Now, supposedly that motor there was rebuilt, and I'm pretty sure it was. I know the shaft on the old one spun freely when we took it out, and then I bought this rebuilt one and put it in. So I do see a repair right there, but it doesn't leak. And I'm not sure what all of that there is supposed to look like. But that's what the video is for. So if you guys see anything, please comment down below. And we'll go check out the other side over here. I'm pretty sure that that there is working correctly. Let's come underneath here, see if you guys notice anything back in here. And one thing I think I'm going to need to change is the previous owner put on this electric fuel pump, and either my carb needs to be tuned or this fuel pump was putting out way too much pressure because it doesn't run quite right. I assume that's the brake right there. Just kind of going to get a little better angle underneath here. And I'm going to move my drive pedal here. Not sure if that is correct or not, but you guys take a look. Let me know what you think there. And coming up over here on this side, this hydraulic hose right here leaks. It's dripping onto these two, but it has nothing to do with the forward and reverse. And this hose here looks like it's been replaced to me, and I'm not sure about that one there, but it looks like it's been replaced. And I'll just kind of pan back in here. And I'm going to pop the hood and just kind of show you guys the motor. See if you see anything in here that looks odd. I took the exhaust off so I could open up the hood. And also the hydraulic tank right here, that was completely drained. I scraped it all out with a paint stick and put in fresh 1540 oil. I'm going to remove this forward reverse lever while the camera is underneath and see if you guys see anything that way. Alright, so I'm hoping that there's some couple things you guys see that you can relay through the messages and I can check them out. I'll respond, let you know if it worked or didn't work, and get this little tractor back to work. I've got 20 yards of black dirt out in the backyard that I need to fill in and level off where an old pool used to be, and using this would be a lot easier than shoveling. So thanks you guys for watching.